Hello students, I welcome you all to the number one YouTube channel Aveti Learning, which only works for your academic enhancement. So quickly join in our live class. It's already started. Let me see. Have you all joined or not? Yes, very good. All of you are so much sincere to attend our class live, right? Okay, very good. So, how are you all? Good. Okay, very good. Have you all celebrated Raksha Bandhan? As it is a famous festival all over the country. Okay, very good. You all have celebrated this festival. Very good. So now let's start learning. So let me tell you how you join live. Before that, let me tell you how do you join in the live class. So you should have to subscribe our YouTube channel Aveti Learning and press the bell icon to get more updates. Okay. So before we start this class, you should follow the rules of the live class. The first one is you should have to answer the questions which is asked in the comment box. Okay. And secondly, don't chat with each other. Don't waste your time in chatting with each other. Okay. So if you start chatting with each other, then you will face the problem while watching the video. Okay. And finally, note the important points only after watching the video. Okay. As you know, this is the permanent video. You can find anytime this video in YouTube. So don't waste your time in chatting with each other. Otherwise, you will face the problem. Okay. So, so here you can see another surprise for you, that recently we came to know that our national policy on education has been changed and so many extracurricular activities, so many skills are added in school curriculum, right? Yes. So, Aveti Learning is providing you spoken English classes and coding classes, which is absolutely free. Okay. So now you can learn spoken English through Aveti Learning as well as the coding also. Okay, so within few days you are also capable of speaking fluent English without any hesitations. Okay, so here are the links for the registration for coding class, that is https://bit.ly/Aveti coding class, and registration for spoken English class, that is https://bit.ly/Aveti spoken English. So don't waste your time. If you have not registered yet, then do register and start learning spoken English and coding. Okay, quick, 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 quick. Our registration is going on. Okay, so there are limited seats, so reserve as soon as possible. Okay, so let's move on to our chapter. We have started a poetry, that is The Solitary Reaper, which is written by William Wordsworth. He is a romantic poet, right? Okay. So we have completed first stanza. Now let's move on to the second stanza. Alone she cuts and binds the grain and sings a melancholy strain. Oh, listen, for the vale profound is overflowing with the sound. Now let's meet with some new words. Bind means gather. ଏକାଠି କରି ବାନ୍ଧିବା. Then grain means crops. ଶସ୍ୟ. Then melancholy strain means sad songs. ଦୁଃଖ ଭରା ଗୀତ. ବିରହ ସଙ୍ଗୀତ. ଯେଉଁ ଗୀତ ଗୁଡ଼ା ଆମେ ଦୁଃଖରେ ଥାଇ ଆମେ ଯେକୌଣସି ଗୀତ ଆମେ ଗାଇଥାଉ. So that is known as melancholy strain. Sad song. Then vale profound means deep valley. ବହୁତ ଗଭୀର ଯେଉଁ ଉପତ୍ୟକାଟି ଗଭୀର ହୋଇଥାଏ, that is known as deep valley. So in the first stanza, the poet William Wordsworth requested to look at the highland girl and her activities. Simultaneously, he requested not to disturb her while she was doing something. So, again, in the second stanza also, the poet says, the girl, the highland girl, cuts and gathers the grain alone and sings a sad song. କବିତାର ଦ୍ୱିତୀୟ ଅନୁଚ୍ଛେଦରେ କବି ୱିଲିୟମ ୱାର୍ଡସୱର୍ଥ ପୁନର୍ବାର ସେହି ଝିଅଟିକୁ ଲକ୍ଷ୍ୟ କରି କହିଛନ୍ତି ଯେ ସେହି ପାହାଡ଼ୀ କନ୍ୟାଟି ଏକୁଟିଆ ଶସ୍ୟଗୁଡ଼ିକୁ କାଟୁଛି, ପୁଣି ସେଗୁଡ଼ିକୁ ଏକାଠି କରୁଛି ଏବଂ ବାନ୍ଧିକି ରଖୁଛି ଏବଂ ତତ୍ସହିତ ଏକ ଦୁଃଖ ଭରା ଗୀତ ମଧ୍ୟ ଗାନ କରୁଛି. Then the poet requests us to listen her and to feel the effect of the song. କବି ୱିଲିୟମ ୱାର୍ଡସୱର୍ଥ ପୁଣି ଥରେ ସେହି ପାହାଡ଼ୀ କନ୍ୟା ଯେଉଁ ଗୀତଟି ଗାଉଛି ସେହି ଗୀତଟି ଶୁଣିବା ପାଇଁ ଏବଂ ସେହି ଗୀତର ପ୍ରଭାବକୁ ଅନୁଭବ କରିବା ପାଇଁ ସମସ୍ତଙ୍କୁ ଅନୁରୋଧ କରିଛନ୍ତି. According to the poet, the whole valley is overfilled with the enchanting song of the solitary reaper. କବିଙ୍କ ଭାଷାରେ, କବିଙ୍କ ଅନୁସାରେ ସେହି ପାହାଡ଼ୀ କନ୍ୟା ଝିଅଟିର ସୁମଧୁର ସ୍ୱରରେ ସମ୍ପୂର୍ଣ୍ଣ ଉପତ୍ୟକାଟି ପ୍ରଗାଢ଼ ଭାବରେ ଉଛୁଳି ପଡ଼ୁଛି. ଚତୁର୍ଦିଗ ସେହି ଉପତ୍ୟକାର ସମ୍ପୂର୍ଣ୍ଣ ପରିବେଶ ସେହି ପାହାଡ଼ୀ କନ୍ୟାର ଗୀତରେ ପ୍ରଭାବିତ ହୋଇପାରିଛି. So students, today is this much. We will meet in our next class. I hope all of you have understood the second stanza. So in our next class, we will meet with a new concept. Okay? So let me tell you, we are providing free online classes and learning resources to Odia medium students during COVID-19 pandemic, which is an initiative by Aveti Learning. So students, enjoy the learning, don't go anywhere. Just invite all of your friends to join in our Aveti Learning and we will provide you so many concepts easily. Okay, so we will meet in our next class. Till then, Keep learning, activate your learning, enhance your learning with authentic learning, Aveti Learning. Thank you.